Hi, welcome back. I miss you so much, my people from Africa, my people from US, my people from India, Jamaica. Let me know in the comment section if you missed me so much. Hi, my name is Moses Wamkota, to those who don't know me. But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So today we are going to talk about apps in which you can literally make money at the comfort of your bed. And most of these apps, you can make money here by playing games and also taking surveys. So what you need to do is that if you have an internet, most of countries have free Wi-Fi. You can go on to that Wi-Fi and then tap in that Wi-Fi and then start playing games here and also taking surveys and then earn something. I keep on telling you that it is better to have something than to have nothing. Now the first website or the first app that we are going to talk about is called GoOpinion. GoOpinion is a paid survey app that has got a bunch of surveys that are being added daily on this website. So what you need to do is that you can go on to Google and then type in GoOpinion. Then download this app and then start taking surveys on this app. Now after you have reached that threshold, you can cash out your money via PayPal. Now the next paid survey app is called Multiples. Now on this multiple, you can make money here by taking survey and also doing other tasks on this app. Now the best thing with these multiples is that new surveys are being added daily on this app. Once you accumulate your earnings, you can withdraw your money using PayPal. And sometimes on this app, it has got a high paying surveys. And the good news with this survey app is that anybody can download and then start making money on this survey app. Now the next similar survey app that I've been using is called Atapol. Atapol has been my best survey app. Anytime I wake up from the bed, I must take at least 2 minutes to take some surveys on this Atapol. Now the best thing with Atapol is that anytime you take survey, you complete that survey, Atapol will pay you money instantly. And the best thing with Atapol is that anybody can download this app. So whether you come from Kenya, whether you come from US, but I miss my people from Nigeria, you can download this Atapol app and then start making money on this app. Now, once you have accumulated your earnings, you can withdraw your money via PayPal. So my friends in New Delhi, I miss you so much. One day I will plan and then come in New Delhi and then spend 2 weeks there talking to people, chatting to my lovely friends in New Delhi. And there are also several ways in which you can redeem your points from this Atapol. There is Amazon gift cards, we have Walmart, and also we have other options that you can redeem your gifts from. Now another app that resembles to Atapol is called Eureka. This app is also a good app that you can make money online by taking surveys here. This Eureka has a little bit more surveys compared to some other apps. So the more you take survey, the more you earn on this Eureka. And once you accumulate your earnings, you can quickly withdraw your earnings from this Eureka. And there is different payment methods ranging from Visa, PayPal, bank transfer, Walmart, Target, and Amazon gift cards. Now the next app is called Influencer. I have not used this app, but I'm going to use it very soon. This is a video survey app. They give you questions and you need to do a video response. You can download this app on your Android phone and then start making money using this app. So if you have another app that you're using to make money, my lovely friend, let me know in the comment section, because we want to be financially stable. When you make money, I make money. Now the next app is called Drop. Here you can earn money particularly by taking surveys and playing games. Now you can go on to Google Play Store or App Store and then download this app. Now the name of the app is called Drop. Now while on this app, you can also play games. Once you accumulate your amount of money, you can withdraw your earnings using PayPal. Now the next app is called Pure Profile. This is a great survey app that you can take surveys here and be paid. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google and then type in Pure Profile. Remember, the more time you take on these apps, the more money you accumulate. For example, I told you for me, for example, each day I do take 30 minutes to work on 10 different apps. We have apps that you can just play games. We have other apps that you can take shorter surveys. And at the end of the day, you can make at least something good out of these apps. For example, a person who likes giving out example. For example, if you have 10 apps and each app is giving you $2. So we can say 10 times 2. That is equal to, let me know the answer in the comment section. So at the end of the day, you will be making a good amount of money. So my lovely friends, that is for today. We have come to the end of this video. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so. And also give this video a huge thumbs up. When you give this video a huge thumbs up, it will help for YouTube algorithm. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. God bless you. Bye.